Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Lehman's here in Morton, Illinois. Why do we sell more trucks? Quite frankly, we just stock more trucks. 2018 3/4 ton off-road crew. This is a 6.4 HEMI. That's a multi-displacement motor. It means it shuts down to a 4-cylinder. Aluminum wheels. Put stainless steel tubes on it. Chrome bumpers. Got park assist on the front. That's what those little metal tabs are for. Actually, it's the radar. Got tow hooks on it. Off-road package, so you pick up the flares, pick up the Bilstein shocks, pick up the off-road decals. Got clearance lights. We put a bed liner in it. Got a trailer hitch on it. Of course, it's 3/4 ton, means it's 2.5 inch versus a 2. Got LED lights inside the bed. Power slider on the rear. It's a good looking truck. Let me show you more about it. Crew cab, back doors open almost all the way up. Got storage in the floor. Storage so containers inside. Comes with slush mats, of course. Get these out of the way. You got storage underneath the seats. It's got a flat load floor. Storage down underneath that. These fold out nice and flat. Driver's door, of course, got power windows, power door locks. Mirrors are power fold-in mirrors. Of course, they're trailer tow mirrors. Driver's seat's a power seat with lumbar support. Cloth on it. Got automatic headlights. Bluetooth for the phone. Cruise control. Oh, it's got 13 miles on it. I think it's probably wore out. No, actually, I'm just brand new truck, kind of kidding you. 8.4 radio, 4-wheel drive, trailer brakes already on it, auxiliary switches already on it, got heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's a brand new truck. You need to call me on this or one of them I got in stock. Got over 200 Rams on the ground. 309-275-7257. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Lehman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.